Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing, like, share, and hit the notification button. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you. Today we are making our chocolate hot fudge sauce. We are going to start by placing 1/2 cup of butter in a saucepan, allowing it to melt. Then we're going to add 1 cup of heavy cream. We stir them together. Then we add 1 cup of coconut palm sugar and 3/4 cup of premium cocoa powder and 1/2 cup of 64% semi-sweet chocolate chip. We then combine them together and heat up on the medium heat, stirring constantly till completely dissolve. All right, this really didn't take any length of time to cook. This tastes so good. Now we turn it off. To get a velvety hot fudge, you want to really blend this. We are going to pour this in here. And then we're going to blend it for 2 minutes. Right, 2 minutes up. So we are going to look at this. Look at how velvet, beautiful. We're going to pour it in the mason jar and we'll put it in the refrigerator. You can use this for ice cream.